Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 鶏と卵のさっぱり煮. It's chicken and eggs, simmered in sweet sour soy sauce. Vinegar tenderizes the chicken, so it's so soft, juicy, and delicious. And it's so easy, so you can make it in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 鶏と卵のさっぱり煮. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast instead. 4 eggs. 2 tablespoons each of mirin, sake, soy sauce, vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar. And sugar. Some garlic and negi, Japanese leek, to garnish. Let's boil the eggs first. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. Pointy side, round side, on this side. This will make it easier to remove the shell later on. Add some water about halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's finish all the cutting. Japanese leek into very thin diagonal slices. And release it in cold water. Drain. And dry it well. And it's boiling now. Turn the heat to low, but keep it simmering and cook for 7 minutes. Back to the cutting. Garlic into thin slices. And chicken. Let's make some slit to flatten it. And all the cutting is done. Eggs were boiled for 7 minutes. So let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. Let's put all these seasonings and 2 tablespoons of water into the frying pan. Sugar, mirin, sake, vinegar, soy sauce, and water. Turn the heat on and dissolve the sugar. Once the sugar is dissolved, add garlic, And chicken with the skin side facing down. Cover with the lid and cook for 5 minutes on the skin side and 4 minutes on the other side over medium to medium-high heat. It's been cooked for 5 minutes, so let's cook the other side. Lid back on and 4 minutes. Cooked for 4 minutes, so let's add the eggs. Shell removed already. And keep cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes with the lid off this time to cook down the broth. Okay, let's kill the heat, slice and serve. Chicken into strips. And eggs into half. And let's serve on the plate. 1/3 of the sliced leek, chicken, 1/3 of the leek again, chicken, the rest of the leek, like a nest for the eggs. And don't forget to put some broth. And 鶏と卵のさっぱり煮 is ready to go. Time for the tasting.いただきます。 The vinegar really tenderizes the chicken. And the flavor of vinegar is not overwhelming at all, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏と卵のさっぱり煮 is the main. So it goes here, plain rice here, and onion miso soup here. Whatever you like for the side dishes. But how about broccoli no tempura for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!